morning, Shem Stars. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and fit. Let's start today's lesson.
Hello dear kids, today we will continue with the same chapter. Yesterday we started the story that how Dorothy reached Wonderland and met with Good Witch, that Scarecrow and the Tin Man, and set off their journey to meet the Wizard of Oz. After that they reached a thick forest where they met with a lion. The lion attacked the Tin Man. At this, Dorothy rebuked the lion for being a coward. The lion felt sorry and asked Dorothy how he could be courageous, just like a king of beasts. Dorothy suggested him to go to the Wizard of Oz for this. So, they all again started their journey together. Finally, they all reached the Emerald City, where they saw the wizard dressed in a long green robe who was sitting on a marble throne. He asked the reason of their arrival. They all told their purpose of meeting the wizard and asked for his help. The wizard assured them to help at the condition of broomstick of the Wicked Witch of the West. So they all started their journey back to the Wicked Witch of the West. On their way back to the Wonderland, they felt tired and stopped at a place to take rest. Then suddenly the Wicked Witch noticed them and called her slaves, the winged monkeys, and ordered them to capture Dorothy. Monkeys brought them to the Wicked Witch of the West. She asked Dorothy to give her those magical shoes, but Dorothy refused for it. At this, the Wicked Witch tried to harm Toto the dog. But Dorothy threw water on the Wicked Witch, due to which he began to melt and disappeared. After this, the Winkies, the creatures of the land, became happy because they were free from the Wicked Witch. So, Dorothy took the broomstick and golden cap of the Wicked Witch and ordered the winged monkeys to take them back to the Wizard of Oz. When Dorothy returned to the wizard, she narrated everything to her. The news of the Wicked Witch made everyone happy. Now Dorothy asked the wizard to help them, but the wizard felt sorry and told them about his reality, that he was not a wizard but an ordinary man. But still he helped everyone accordingly except Dorothy. He asked Dorothy to go to the Good Witch of the South. Only she could help in getting her back to home. So Dorothy went back to the Good Witch and asked for her help. The Good Witch told her about the magic of silver shoes that could take her home. Now Dorothy was very happy as finally she was going back to her home. She handed the golden cap to the Good Witch of the South and left for her home. The Good Witch asked the Scarecrow to rule over the Emerald City, and Tin Man was made the king of Winkies. That lion was now the king of the forest. At last, Dorothy was happy to be back with her uncle and aunt, but she would never forget that wonderful adventures in the land of Oz. So children, that's it. I am sure this story is also unforgettable and you all must have enjoyed this. Tomorrow we will do difficult words of the lesson. Till then, take care. Bye.
Thank you, Shem Stars. That's all for today. You can drop your queries on Google Classroom